I'm afraid time has just run out for the entire WWE locker room.
He moved. Oh, nice backslide. Pinning combination. And pumps the shoulder up. Striking with a knee.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy. And the knee.
Oh, come on. Why would you stoop that low? That showed a complete lack of respect for your competition and for our sport. Oh, big knockdown, another clothesline.
Building momentum.
This superstar's match to win. This is nasty.
Eye of the Hurricane.
Cover! There's 2, 3. No, a kick out just in time.
This is amazing.
Hurricane now going high risk.
Desperate attempt here to get back on his feet. Here we go. Nobody.
Karrion Kross.
Doomsday Saito.
And
This could be it.
cover for the win. Finally, it's over. Here is your winner, Karrion Kross.
Big effort tonight.
A well-earned victory here tonight.
We call a lot of matches, but this one's going to stick in my mind for weeks to come.
I agree with you on that, Corey. This one was unforgettable.